Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma nge-celebrity elincane kunawo wonke usingabakho eSun to uMpumelelo and Tirelo. Namhlanje ke the family celebrates the first birthday kaSingabakho, and they share lo myalezo omnandi ke to him khona lapha ke ezinkundleni zokuxhumana. Siqaleke ngemessage kamkhulu umpost we-family baba umpostoli ke guys, ngiyamazi baba umsele ukuthi akalala endleleni Nkosi yami ayikho into angayipost, kodwa nje upostile ke naye bakithi wathi ke nje happy birthday mfana wami Singabakho. Then uTirelo ke the mother wasinaye waposta this beautiful message ethi ke happy first birthday to my precious son Singabakho. A year ago you stole my heart with your first cry, and since then you filled my heart with laughter, joy, and endless love. Your tiny hands and feet have grown. Your smile is a ray of sunshine, and your giggles are music to my ears. You've become a curious, adventurous, and a bubbly little boy. I promise to always support your dream, wipe away your tears, and celebrate your triumph. I thank God for this grace, guidance, and protection over you. May He continue to watch over you, shape you, and use you for His glory. Here is too many more years of hugs, snuggles, and making memories together. I love you more than word can say, my little birthday boy. So guys, yeah, basibe behlanganyela kabantu ke la ku social media bamfisela ke usuku olumnandi ke bakithi boy sithi nje khula lwandle khula mthombeni. Guys, uMpumelelo ke yena bandla nkosami ubengakaposti ke nje okwamanje, but ke siya understand guys uMpumelelo ubhekene neyinkinga eningi kakhulu, but ngiyathemba ukuthi nawe usazoposta ke guys. Once again sithi ke happy birthday ku boy. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below or your message, or send a message to the little one. Bye.